Hello! So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a little haul that I got from Brambleberry of natural colors, and I'm bringing back my One Love bath bomb, and that was because I was out of these earth marbles that go inside of them as your little gift inside of them. So I got another little stock of those, and those are so beautiful and such a nice company that I wanted to show them too. So I'll start with them first. Here is their little tag. They are called Shasta Vision. Now, all of these marbles and all of their other marbles that are in there are made from recycled glass. So you can feel good about getting them if you know anybody that loves earth stuff, that's earth conscious, or even just somebody who loves space, because they have marbles that look like moons and Mars and all that kind of stuff. So this month, if you ordered $25, you got a free necklace. And it's the big size earth marble on a chain, and it's just so pretty. I was so excited to get this because I never keep anything for myself, so it's so cool that I get a gift. I can't wait to wear this summer when I do some of the craft shows and stuff, so I can show people what's inside the bath bombs. But isn't that neat? I'm not really sure how long the chain is, but really cool. So I'm not sure how long that sale goes on, but check them out. Their website will be linked down below. So if you're interested, you'll be able to get this free necklace. See how beautiful the blue glass is? I don't think there's a more beautiful color in the entire world for glass than blue glass. I have just this thing about them. So pretty. So that is, like I said, the big size marble, which is called the 1-inch marble. Now the ones I put in my bath bombs are the 1/2 inch. So I got 10 of those. And when you get them, they come in packs of 5, and they always put them in these little velvet bags, which is really nice. So even if you weren't giving it away, if you wanted to keep them, it's just a really wonderful way to package them. Whoa. They rolled off fast, folks. Okay, so here they are. I'm going to try to get them to zoom in. The continents on them are all different colors and so incredibly detailed. See, there you could go. You could see that Africa right there. They're so beautiful. I feel like they make such a nice gift inside of a bath bomb. And you can see Antarctica up there, North America, South America. Very beautiful. So there's 10 of these. I'm restocked up for that. And then they also give you these, which I really don't do anything with. But if you were keeping the marble, each one comes with this, and that is just to display it to like a little marble stand. So if you wanted to put it on your dresser or on a little shelf or something, shadow box, it holds it steady. So they each one have one of those. So next we'll get into Brambleberry. I didn't get a whole lot, but there'll be another quick video coming up real soon where I infuse all of these. Some of these I haven't worked with ever, and some I haven't worked with in years, so I was very excited. This is my source for these particular natural colors. I get my calamine clay from a completely different source, and I get my indigo from Nurture Soap. Okay, so I haven't worked with this one in years, and I'm very excited to go back to it. This is Alkanet. And I got just the, what size is this? 3 ounces. And this is the smallest size to get, but look how much you get. I mean, 3 ounces, that's a lot. It's really a thick, good amount. But I feel like their Alkanet is the best I've ever tried. I stopped working with Alkanet because I tried to switch sources, and the kind that I got, no matter how I infused it and strained it, I still kept getting all these scratchy pieces in it. And it was because Brambleberry was out of it for a long time. This was quite a long time ago, though. So I was waiting for it forever, and I didn't want to wait anymore, so I got it from someone else, and it just was so scratchy. I tried to just pour the oil off the top, and it still caught into the soap, and it was just not good. So very excited to work with that again. I got Madder Root, again a 3 ounce bag, and it is overflowing a little bit, so I have to be careful while I show you this one. But look at the beautiful natural color of it just by itself. It's so pretty. Now, I've worked extensively with rhubarb root as my red. I've never worked with madder, so I'm really excited for this one. Lots of good experiments coming up very soon, at the end of the summer. I have plans for all of these. Now, see, I did get a little that came out because it was going past the Ziploc there, but that's okay. And then the last natural color is Annatto. Please excuse my voice. My family and I have been getting over a very long cold. So anyway, this is a 3 ounce of Annatto seed. I haven't worked with Annatto in a long time, and I got it from like the Spice House, and it works pretty good, but I'm really excited to try Brambleberry's Annatto. It was so nice to find that they had all of these, because frequently they do get sold out of a lot of these, so I was getting them while I can. Annatto is one, if you don't know, that will make a beautiful yellow and shades of gold, so I'm very excited to try that. That one will be the first one coming up, so there'll be the video to infuse these, and then I'll be working with that one first. And right now they also had a sale on all of their oils and butters. So if there's anything you need right now, and you're a soap maker or any kind of skincare maker, check them out. I got a very good price on these cocoa butter. These are the natural ones, so they still have their good chocolatey kind of scent. And I got a pound. This bag is a pound, so I got 2 pounds. And when they're in these little pastilles, they're easy to measure, so that also helps. And you don't have to chisel it off a big block of cocoa butter, which is also nice, very nice. So have all of those coming, extra cocoa butter to make all the rest of the soaps for the summer, and for bath bombs for my upcoming craft shows. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for another video where I infuse all 3 of these natural colors. And please check these out. Brambleberry is just the greatest source ever for not only for supplies, but recipes, kits. If you are not wanting to formulate anything, they have awesome kits to make candles, to make soaps. They are just full of a blog of lots of things that you can read, soap making advice, tips and tricks. They're just absolutely amazing. So all the links to both of these companies will be listed down below. The Earth Marble people they are just absolutely wonderful. A portion of buying from them is donated to environmental organizations. So you will feel good about shopping from them for yourself or for gifts. Take care.